Want to relive your favorite PlayStation 1 classics on your Mac? In this video, I'll show you how to set up a PS1 emulator on macOS and start playing your games in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and search for PCSX. Download the emulator from a website that offers the macOS version. Once the download is complete, locate the archive file on your computer. Unzip the downloaded archive. After extraction, you'll see the PCSX application. Drag and drop the PCSX app into your Applications folder. This ensures the emulator is installed properly on your Mac. Open the Applications folder and run PCSX. macOS says it doesn't trust this app, so you need to do the following. Go to System Settings and find the Privacy and Security tab. At the very bottom, you'll see a message from the security system stating that the app is not verified. Click the Open Anyway button. Enter your security password, then close the window. The first time you launch it, you'll receive a notification indicating that a BIOS file is required before the emulator can run PlayStation games. I already have a BIOS file prepared for educational purposes. Open the BIOS folder. Copy the BIOS file into the emulator's BIOS directory. Once the file has been copied, close the folder. Launch PCSX again. This time, the emulator should start normally and recognize the BIOS file automatically. At the top of the screen, click File and then select Run ISO. Browse to the location of your game image file and select it. PCSX will load the game and you're ready to play. And that's it. If this video helped you, please subscribe to the channel and leave a comment below with your favorite PS1 game. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.